Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the Atari token using Trust Wallet and Uniswap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything they have to do in order to buy this token. But before we get started here, I just want to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency content coming out on my channel. So if you guys are interested in crypto and you want to learn more about the space, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel, as I have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, first things first here, we just want to open up our Trust Wallet. When we get in Trust Wallet, I'm just going to let you guys know I'm not going to show you how to create your wallets or how to buy or transfer Ethereum inside of this video here. If you need to learn how to do that first, I would recommend going to the description or the comment section below just to learn how to do that using my tutorials that I have linked there. So if you guys can go watch that first, if you need that help there, you can go ahead and watch that and then come back to this video here. Anyhow, you just want to make sure you have your Ethereum inside of your Trust Wallet here. Once you have it inside of your Trust Wallet, we just want to go ahead over to CoinMarketCap. And I'll have a link in the description for that as well. So we're just going to go ahead over to that link and then I'll show you guys what to do once you're on there. Once you're on CoinMarketCap here, you can just go down to contracts and then you'll see the little contract called Ethereum, and then there's a bunch of numbers and letters. You want to go ahead and click on those two little squares beside that. Once you click on that, it will then copy the address. We can head back into our Trust Wallets. And then we just want to go to the top right corner of our screen where we see the two lines and two circles. Go ahead and click on that. And then just go up to the top search here and paste the contract address in. Once you do that, you'll see the Atari token pop up here. So we can go ahead and click on enable and then done. Once we have the token added to our Trust Wallet here, we can head over to the exchange and we're going to be using Uniswap. So I'll have a link over for Uniswap in the description as well as in the comment section below. So you just want to head over to Uniswap and then I'll show you guys what to do next. Once you're on Uniswap here, you just want to go to the top right corner of your screen where you see the connect wallet button and click on that. Once you click on that, you want to click on Wallet Connect. You will then see an option that says choose your preferred wallet. So we just want to go over to Trust Wallet. It'll then open up this connection screen inside of our Trust Wallet, just asking to connect Uniswap to Trust Wallet. So we want to go ahead and click on Connect for that. Once we do that, we can head back over to Uniswap. Once we're back on Uniswap here, we can know our wallet's connected when we see our wallet address up in the top corner, as well as our balance of Ethereum right here as well. As long as you see everything there, then you know you're good to go. So we could then click on select a token and paste that address in the top search here. Once we do that, we'll see the Atari token pop up. So we're gonna click on import here and then import one more time. Once we have both of these coins in here, we can go ahead and change our slippage tolerance. So you just wanna go to the right of where you see swap over to that little settings gear, click on that. And then you'll see your slippage tolerance should be on auto. You could try it on auto for the first time to see if that'll work for you. If it does fail, I'd recommend using 12%. So you can just come back over here and change this to 12%, and then you can exit back out. Now, all you have to do is decide how much Ethereum that you want to spend on this token. So let's just say, for example, we want to do 0.5 Ethereum. You can type in 0.5 Ethereum, and then it'll just take a second for this to load up with our approximate balance. Once it does load up there, you can go ahead and click on swap where it says insufficient F balance for me. Now on the next page, you're going to see your gas fees and withdrawal fees. The gas fees are pretty high right now because of the price of Ethereum, unfortunately. You guys can purchase this using PancakeSwap and BNB as well, but it is a pegged version of the coin. So I'd recommend purchasing the actual coin rather than a pegged version. But yeah, so all you guys have to do is just be aware of that gas fee. I know it might be a little expensive, but if you're okay with that, you can go ahead and click on swap. Once you click on swap, it's going to show you another broken down version of your transaction, but this time in Trust Wallet. So you just want to confirm that swap if you're okay with it. Once you click on confirm one more time, it'll just take a second for it to come into your portfolio just from Uniswap here. And you'll know that once you get that little check mark at the bottom. But yeah, you can just head back into your Trust Wallet and then your token will be here usually within a couple of minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you how to buy the Atari token using Trust Wallet and Uniswap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.